In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find name servers in Siteground, a crucial step in learning how to start a blog. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and concisely, setting you up for success in your blogging journey. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Siteground's website. It's your main hub for managing everything related to your website hosting. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll notice a login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on this login button to access your account. If you don't already have a Siteground account, you'll need to create one first, but assuming that's taken care of, log in with your details. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your Siteground account dashboard where all your hosting details are consolidated. In this interface, you'll want to locate a section labeled My Siteground Account. It's the go-to spot for managing various aspects of your hosting service. Click on it and delve deeper into the specifics of your hosting setup. Next, look for the three-dot icon. It's easy to spot and usually located near each website entry listed in your account. Clicking this will present you with an array of further options. What we're interested in at this juncture is server details. Selecting this will bring up detailed information about your server's configuration and capabilities. Once you are on the server details page, scroll down to find the Nameservers section. This is the information you need to update your domain name system records so that they point to your Siteground hosting. Clicking on Nameservers will display the exact name server addresses you'll need. It's generally a short list, typically named something like ns1.siteground.net and ns2.siteground.net. But these might vary depending on your specific configuration. These name servers are what you'll share with your domain registrar to ensure your domain is correctly linked to your hosting. It's essential for making your website visible on the internet, so make sure to copy down these details accurately. If you're managing multiple domains or making DNS changes elsewhere, keep these name server details handy. Having them within easy reach simplifies the process significantly. And there you have it, you've now successfully located your name servers within Siteground. This foundational knowledge is pivotal for any kind of domain management tasks you're planning, particularly in starting your own blog. Once your domain is linked correctly, you're free to focus on what really matters, creating content and growing your blog's audience. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, happy blogging.